Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Voyage Aeronautics drone. First, ensure both your drone and remote controller batteries are fully charged for optimal flight time. Next, power on your remote controller and then your drone. Place the drone on a flat, stable surface, clear of any obstructions, to prepare for initial calibration. Once powered on, it's crucial to calibrate the drone's compass. Follow the on-screen prompts on your controller for precise calibration, typically involving specific rotations. Before takeoff, conduct a thorough visual inspection of the drone. Confirm all propellers are securely attached and free from damage, ensuring safe and stable operation. With calibration complete, wait for your drone to acquire a strong GPS signal, indicated by a solid green light. This ensures stable flight and accurate positioning. Next, arm the motors using the specific stick combination on your controller, usually pushing both sticks down and out. Double-check your chosen flight mode settings. Now you're ready for takeoff. Gently and slowly increase the throttle stick to lift the drone smoothly into the air. Keep the drone within your visual line of sight at all times for safety. Practice gentle control inputs to get a feel for its responsiveness, starting with small movements to build confidence and skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.